Hello everyone and welcome to Credit Finance. In today's video, I bring you an update regarding emergency SNAP and rental assistance for Utah residents ends in March. Also, we have news for Massachusetts state. Massachusetts set to end emergency SNAP benefit, when to expect last payment. And of course, all the information is available in this video as well. So make sure you guys stay until the end of this video. Now, before we get started, if you are interested in latest news regarding stimulus check, child tax, credit snap, P-EBT and everyone in between, so make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. Now moving our latest update, emergency snap and rental assistance for Utah residents end in March. Two assistance programs that help Utah residents pay for rent and food throughout the pandemic are scheduled to expire in March. Since March 2020, the Family's First Coronavirus Response Act allowed states to extend temporary SNAP emergency allowance to provide benefit supplement to households in need and to households with children missing school meal. According to Go Banking Rate, previously states having the option to provide these benefits as long as the federal government has declared a public health emergency and the state has issued an emergency or disaster declaration. Recently, Congress passed an omnibus bill that includes the end date for SNAP emergency allowance, which is February 2023. These programs have helped thousands of Utah residents to make it through the economic challenge brought about the pandemic, said Ned McDonald, Deputy Director of the Utah Department of Workforce Services in a January 5 new release. But we have always known these programs would be temporary, and fortunately, Utah's economy has thousands of job opportunities for those who are looking. The month increase averaged between $175 to $200 per household. Reported KSL.com, this challenge will affect 74,000 SNAP households in Utah. Utah SNAP recipients will receive the same amount of benefit they receive each month before the pandemic. According to McDonald's, everything else about SNAP will remain the same, including eligibility guidelines. According to the news release, Utah received $344 million in federal emergency rental assistance funds. As of December 31, 2022, the program processed more than 97,000 applications and paid $287 million in assistance to eligible households to help pay rent and utilities. Application for emergency rental assistance will no longer be available after Sunday, Feb 5, 2023. And funds are expected to be exhausted by the end of March. Application will be processed on first come first served basis until funds run out or until all applications have been processed. Now moving on, SNAP update of Massachusetts state. Massachusetts set to end emergency SNAP benefit, when to expect last payment. Pandemic SNAP or P-EBT is set to expire in February for Massachusetts SNAP recipients. WWLP 2022 News reported that the last SNAP emergency allowance are scheduled to go out on March 2nd. According to the Massachusetts Department of Transaction Assistance, the P-EBT benefit amount in the difference between your normal SNAP amount and the maximum amount for your household size, with a minimum of 95 per household. The DTA also pointed out that benefit can roll over monthly, so you can still save some extra benefit after March 2nd. Since March 2020, the Family's First Coronavirus Response Act has allowed states to extend temporary SNAP emergency allowance to provide benefit supplements to households in need and households with children missing school meals. The Center of Budget and Policy Priorities says that the U.S. Department of Agriculture can provide these benefits as long as the federal has declared a public health emergency and the state has issued an emergency or disaster declaration. To help families plan for the end of SNAP emergency allowance, Massachusetts created a web page detailing other ways to increase SNAP benefit. To get the most out of your SNAP benefit, if your household should let that DTA know. If you have medical expenses that cost over $35 per month for everyone in your SNAP household who is 60 or older or has a disability. Number 2, household costs like you are renter or your mortgage have gone up. Number 3, you have dependent care cost for children or disabled adults while you are working, looking for work or attending school. Additionally, Massachusetts households that receive SNAP are automatically enrolled in the Health Initiative Program or HIP. This program puts money back onto your EBT card when you use your SNAP EBT to buy fresh local fruits and vegetables from HIP vendors up to 40 to 60 or $80 depending on your household size. And that's all the update that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.